Hello Infinite Learners, welcome back to our channel. This is a set of 5 test questions in a Word format. In this video, I will show you how to convert this into a Google form. But before we dive in, please help my channel grow by clicking the subscribe and the like button. Thank you. First, we need to format our Word document that contains the questions into this format. First is the question, followed by the choices arranged in a vertical form. Lastly, our question must contain an answer. Next, we need to convert this Word document into a PDF file. Go to File, Save As. Select a file destination. We will just save this to the desktop. Then save as PDF. Then hit Save. Now, let's save this file into our Google Drive. Go to Google, click this dotted icon, select Drive. Now, click the plus icon, File Upload, then select our PDF file we just created earlier. Now we are done uploading to Google Drive our PDF file that contains the questions. It's now time to create a Google form. Click this dotted icon again, scroll down, and select Forms. Click Create Blank Form. At this time, we need to install a plugin. Click this 3-dotted icon, click Get Add-ons. Search for Form Builder Plus. Click the Form Builder Plus and click Install. Click Continue. Click Allow. Wait for it to process, and click Done. Now, let's go back to our form. Click this icon, and click Form Builder Plus. Click Start. A window at the bottom right will appear asking us where we will get our file to be imported. Since we saved our file in Google Drive, let's select Google Drive. Then select the PDF file we just saved earlier. Double-click on it and wait for it to process. As you can see, questions are now ready to be imported. Click Import Now. The 5 questions are now imported. And as you can see, every question has its answer already since we put an answer in the PDF file, which is very convenient for us. All we need to do is to modify some of this if we want. In this case, we will add points for each question. Let's also put a title for our form and an instruction. Now we can get the link of our form and send that to our students. Let's try to answer the form we just created. Google Form is actually the best way to create a quiz for our learners, especially for online learning scenarios. It will also have an automated item analysis of our test, making this so convenient to use. That's all for this video. Please help our channel grow by clicking the like and the subscribe button. Thank you and see you in the next video.